Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to avoid scams from a marketplace on Facebook. So now the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So after your access to the marketplace, you will need to go to the Facebook Sports or the Facebook Help in Sports by clicking on Profile and click on Help in Sports and then click on Help Center. And then we will go to the Privacy, Safety and Security. Then we will go to Shopping Safety and click on Avoid and Scam. And basically, you will need to make sure to understand these requirements or these conditions of the scams so you can avoid them. So basically scams can be defined or recognized by these actions, like when the buyer, the seller, is communicating with you privately outside of Facebook or Messenger, like going on another platform of communication like Telegram, WhatsApp or other platforms, and also requests to contact other individuals rather than contacting directly the buyer, the seller. Other things, you can see the message or emails from seller that telling you there is something wrong with your payment. We need to make or be careful and pay attention from such messages or requests. Also, there are other scams, like when other people are pushing you and rushing you to buy their product and pay them quickly. So basically there are many things that you can consider here in the help center to avoid scams and to shop safety in the Facebook marketplace. So basically this is that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.